Today we're gonna be looking at crazylogomaker.com. That's crazylogomaker.com. That's crazylogomaker.com. These guys did a great job. I love the layout. I love the affiliate plans, the brand kit. You know what I mean? The AI. This is the AI studio here. You have presets that if you don't know what you're doing, it kind of guides you through it. You have some preset stuff here, along here, and yeah, some upgrades. If you want to get more genuine stuff, you got some free fry. You got 5 free a day. So all you got to do is go ahead and take your prompt from wherever you get it, whether you use it through them or use it through Gemini, whatever, or use it through OpenAI. Take the prompt, place it in here, scroll down, hit generate, and close your eyes, and that's it. You're done. So enjoy more logos, and at the end of this video, I'll show you the logos I made. All right, guys. Ciao for now. Rest the machine. Over and out. Shout out to megaorbit.ca and Crazy Logo Maker for making this all possible. Now I can make all my logos and friends' logos, the other artists I know, and also my album covers, album art. This is great for that. All right, guys. Thank you again. Ciao. Like and subscribe if you like this video or if you want more just like this.